Yeah.
The reason I'm calling you, because your number has been nominated to receive a medical award system for you to use it. I hope you know what the medical award system is.
Yeah, I've heard of them, yes.
Okay. So what I will do is, sir, I will be sending you a necklace or a bracelet that you need to wear it all the time. So if something happens to you, you just need to push off a button, and we will provide you with the immediate help that you need it, okay?
Okay, you say it's a necklace or a bracelet? Is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I mean, is it like something like a nice bracelet I could give my wife or something with a diamond on it? Is that what you're talking about?
No, sir, it has a push button on it. So if something happens to you, sir, or if your wife,
Uh-huh.
you just need to push the button so you can call ambulance, police, fire department, your neighbors, relatives, anyone you want.
So,
It's like a cell phone.
oh. So but is it a diamond necklace that I can have a push button on? Is that what you're saying it is?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. I think my wife would like a diamond necklace, but, is it a push button? Is it on the back of the diamond, or where is it located on the necklace?
It's at the front of it.
Oh, wouldn't that look bad? And if with the diamond, that wouldn't look very nice. Don't you think the button ought to be on the back of the necklace? Because the front of the necklace would be the diamond.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir, I will do that.
Oh, okay. All right. So you could put like the diamond on front, and then the push button on the back. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. All right. That'd be great. Yeah, yeah. So how does that work?
You just need to push the button, sir.
Oh, okay. All right. So what happens when they push the button? Because one time I was on an airplane, and I went to the bathroom, and after I went to the bathroom, I pushed the button, and the toilet flushed. Would the toilet flush if I pushed the button? Are you there?
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Oh, okay. Well, do I still get the push button necklace? I guess not. He hung up on me. I don't get a push button necklace. Oh well.